Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have gonna do the cooking show. Cooking show. Show. My pronunciation is so bad, so never mind. Okay. So I'm gonna say something new. So while waiting for our cooking chicken, so we're gonna do TikTok. Let's go. Where did I push it down? Here. How it's not? I wonder why. I wonder why. I wonder. Tahu ni kana tahu. Huh? Ready? It's on, huh?
Like this.
And then like that.
That one last side.
Huh?
That's the last one.
Like this, like that.
Like this.
Okay, ready? Doesn't matter, no? Ready, go. Oh, have a look.
Look at my mouth.
It's the thing. Chicken.
No, that's pork.
Pork.
Oh,
no, the pork first.
So we put the
Garlic
first.
Oh, this is the Russia.
This is the chef. Hello. And there's another
Our
one.
beautiful
And
chef.
Yes. Hello, ladies. So we're so we put the garlic first until it's getting
You
brown.
can do that. No, anyone's gonna see it. They're gonna have to up.
Okay. So there's two little pretty girls there watching telly.
And I already cooked the pork. No, this is I boiled. I already cooked.
The pork is already boiled, so
So we don't have to cook for long time.
yeah, that's right.
Because I'm sure we're gonna be hungry.
Yeah. Hungry
You
belly.
eat raw. And it's me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Why are you laughing for? So I'm the videographer. Okay.
The blogger.
And next is the ginger.
Not ginger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ginger and
Not that ginger. And onion.
You know what's ginger?
Oh, only like so soggy the
Oh,
onion, so I still like
The
little bit.
crunchy. You
Yeah.
can still.
It's not overcooked.
Yes.
We're the cooking team, the diet team. Diet. The food is life. So they're friends now. Look at them.
Now we put,
And now we put the pork.
and we put the water.
The hot water.
Hot water or cold water doesn't matter because it's
Then the hot
gonna.
water will be thicker.
Yeah,
Not too much. Yeah.
just something like that. It depends how much you
Oh yeah, make.
make it. Yeah, just give a stir.
Good stir. Please. The managing director is here. Joke. Oh. Turkey. And put some soy sauce.
Just like you know how much.
Yeah, estimate. It depends how you like.
I never measure. That's vinegar.
Vinegar. I-mix niyo ng pepper.
Coriander.
Coriander.
You can put fresh after, but I like the
ground one.
and chicken stock.
Yes, already.
Chicken stock.
Chicken stock.
Yes, Marian.
And salt.
Oh, I just put that one.
Sugar. Malinamnam. And then
The what's it called?
oyster sauce.
Sweet sauce.
Sweet sauce.
Like that.
The sweet
Sweet
soy.
soy sauce. This is good for fried rice as well.
You got that one from Asian shop?
Look at that.
Asian shop?
Well, if you're cooking Filipino,
In the Indonesian
Only
section.
Indonesian yeah. Ours is only 3 soy sauce. That's all vinegar. That's the ingredients.
Okay, and after that, don't stir.
Let it boil.
Yeah, don't stir too well because the pork might be falling apart. So you
How
have
many minutes or hours until it's getting cooked? Getting cooked. Sorry, my pronunciation is wrong. Please be with you guys.
if someone gonna follow your vlog, Jen, and then do the cooking, so what is it? Is that another ingredient?
maybe they will like
What? Oh dear me. La 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 la, hello. Yeah, we got a chili. We eating challenge. Aisha, is this spicy or not?
Yeah, it's spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one.
Our ingredients.
Big.
Too simple.
That's right. And we sometimes we need to like
So we put
a little bit of water.
I know this one. Copper line.
and basil leaf.
What's that? Basil.
Basil.
That one is like
Basil?
how to make that chili. Just blend it with the onion, garlic, chili, and they're playing the. And it's boiling, guys. It's boiling.
Every time.
I don't know. That's mine. Or what's this yours?
This one
That's
mine.
mine.
This one mine.
Okay, Manju. It's hot like you.
Thank you.
Hot like you. Hello. Representing from Philippines.
And
Indonesia.
no.
Bali. And then from Nepal. And from Philippines. Yes, Philippines. This correction, Philippines.
Yeah.
Put the olives oil.
Just the ingredients that we don't
Complete
use
the
it.
ingredients.
Yeah, but that's only ginger.
Cook it. That's the one that
So
you
if you want the
fresh one.
if you want the color like that, don't put turmeric. But if you want yellow, you can put turmeric.
Okay.
Yeah,
Did you
it's
put
up to
turmeric
you.
in here? No.
Up to you. Both are nice. Yeah, up to you. Do you want to put turmeric or not? I don't know. Just that's it. The color.
So the turmeric change the color?
Yes,
Yes.
it's yellow.
Yellow.
Remember the rice that you put turmeric? What you call that? The biryani?
Yes. Biryani. Indian rice.
What's
Yeah.
that called? Biryani?
Biryani.
And what's leaf is this?
Basil and cucumber.
Basil and parang buong like
Oh, the leaf, the other one. Cucumber leaf.
cover leaf. Oh, fried with the olive oil.
Any oil.
Any oil.
Whatever you use.
So olive is healthier, no? Yeah, it depends which one is on sale. So doesn't matter, guys.
So
because
that's
we just
your,
the
is that
cooking.
your new one?
No, that it's on charge.
Ah.
Later, okay?
Yeah, I saw that you're having. Oh, that's lighter now.
I think that's a new one.
put the chicken, guys, and already put salt everything until it will become cooked. And the pork is still cooking. Cooking.
Rihanna's got juice for you. Manjo, Rihanna's got juice for you.
And put some water.
So it's gonna boil the chicken.
Roll the chicken. Roll. And stir it. And let rice, guys.
Rice.
Rice is
Can't
like.
eat without rice.
Yes. So wash it properly. And put it in the. So it's already put the lid on and then cook and leave it until it's ready.
Magic.
Magic. This is magic. How to do magic cooking, right? Finish, guys. So it doesn't matter how long, as long as the water will reduce. So yeah, it looks yummy. Share your blessings. So we're gonna nearly cooking. Ay, my underarms is nearly finished.
Nearly cooking.
Nearly cook.
Very clear.
As clear as.
What's the test for the selfie?
Yeah. You go first, Dai. I will do the video. You go first.
Manjo, you're good too.
You go first. Come on. Testing first. Oh.
That's the selfie die. No, the camera selfie.
Oh, selfie. I thought the food. Wrong one. It's alright. No, I mean. No. You die.
Come on.
Come on, die.
Come on.
Okay, we're gonna do the selfie.
Yep. Let's take a selfie.
Dinner is ready.
This one. This one medium. You did also like fish. Just like fish. Only this medium, only this chicken. Yeah. You wanna try? Sit down. Sit down and eat.
You want sauce, Rihanna? I know you don't want it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kobe, do.
Locking on. These foods are incredible.
You got video TikTok?
Long.
Yeah, we will do the TikTok.
Oh, no. You do what? My place. Oh, yeah. Then I'll get one here.
Or you can see other space.
So you can see it taking. Oh, you got it.
Having lunch, guys. The two cutie. Lunch time. Hello. Are you comfy there in your egg? Hello, beautiful people. Wait, never mind my underarms. Is this something? Is that dinner or lunch yummy?
Is that yummy?
Oh, I said thank you, Atalaya. Bye-bye. Bye. You eat your lunch, okay?
Yes?
Yes, I will do TikTok later.
No.
Why? You're gonna teach us, please. You're really good at it. Okay, I'll let you eat first, okay? And we'll think about it later. Hello. This is the video. From the Philippines. It's ready for the dinner, no?
I like this picture.
Pretty.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Picture. It's good circle or person circle. Obvious. I already didn't know. That's a video. Let's take them now. One, two, three. I wonder why. No music. Hello. We need to make a music sound. Lunchtime, guys. So that's our lunch for today. Thank you.
That's the food that we cook.
Yeah, that's the chicken. What's the name, Manju?
Chicken bun.
Huh?
Momo.
Momo. Momo. In Nepal, this is Nepalese food, guys. It's very yummy. Believe me.
Yun yan the Balinese food.
Okay. So,
Momo.
what's gonna eat?
Momo,
Thank you. Momo. No. So, guys, they're eating and me just not eating, okay? Because do video. Okay. Lunch, guys. Thank you for the lovely lunch. And look at them. They're washing the dishes. I'm just doing the video. You're doing a great job. Thank you. Do you need a hand? Left, right?
Lunch finished.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. And look at the pretty girl here. Hello. It means like share your blessings. They always do us. Thank you to Han, Leia, and Ryan for the nice lunch. As always. Tummy full, happy tummy.